Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Training Academy. I'm Liam, here to show you guys how to throw added pitches like change-ups, curveballs, sliders, whatever you want. Okay? So the first one I like to throw, one of my best pitches, is my slider. Now, I have two different variations of it. I have just like a two-seam, except for you're all on one side. Okay? And now, with this one, you want to come down when you throw, holding it in a C form. You want to throw down, flicking about right around here. That gives it a good flick motion and gives it drop movement. Okay? Now my other form of my slider is up like a four-seam, but on the side here. Now with this one, I come across with it more, and I flick in about the same spot to give it horizontal movement. And that one came back to me. Hey, this ball likes me. Okay, so with the downward moving slider, it should look like this from the stretch. Okay, come set. If you haven't seen my other pitching video on pitching forms and fastballs, it'll be over here. Okay, so down facing slider, down slider. Gives it a nice cutting movement. Very dirty on 0-2 counts, 2 strikes, no balls. Gives you a little wiggle room. And now with the coming across slider, that one I screwed up a little bit. Okay, coming across slider. Use it horizontal movement and adds for a nice little outside pitch movement. Okay, so the other pitch I throw is change up. And this one has an odd fingering. So what you want to do is, instead of a two-seam with your first two fingers, you want to use your middle finger and your ring finger, and you're going to bring your index finger and your thumb off to this side. You're not going to make a circle, you're not going to connect, but you want your thumb to rest down here and your pinky right along this seam here. Okay? Now with this pitch, unlike most others, you have to get backwards rotation, so that as the ball's coming here, it comes, and then it drops. Very lethal pitch. Okay? So what this one looks like is, if you get enough backspin on it, it's a little slower than a fastball, but it has nice dropping movement. I like this. Usually if I have one strike, maybe two, give it the backspin movement. It's a little wilder than most pitches, because backspin tends to go a little higher and then drop. So that's why it's a little risky to pitch. And then, see, for a cutter, there's a cutter that I throw. For this one, you're going to do it just like your horizontal slider. Okay? And except for this one, you're going to throw it more like a fastball. You're going to come here, come here, come here. And then right about at here, you're going to flick across. And that gives it a last second spinning motion. So, that's very dirty. It's one of my better pitches. Okay? So, gives it nice cutting movement. Looks an awful lot like a slider, but it has a little later movement, cutting motion. Okay? Again, fastball, flip. Pretty simple. There's 3 different pitches for you guys to throw. I do not suggest you throw until you're at least 50-70, which is usually 13-year-olds, and up through college, high school, college, and then MLB. The younger you are, like 10 to 12, it's risky to do. It can hurt your arm very much. Don't throw every pitch as a cutter, a changeup, a slider. It will ruin your arm. There have been numerous cases of players hurting their arms, throwing too much curveballs, too many sliders. So don't overthrow the nastier pitches, even though they are nasty. Stick with your 4 seams, your 2 seams, over here if you haven't seen it. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can subscribe right over here. Check out my other videos here. Signing off for now. Catch you guys later.